Hello Chemi 330 students. This example will be another fluid statics problem solved using a slightly different approach. Given the pictured setup with immiscible liquids A and B, we want to determine the pressure difference P1 minus P2 between the air-liquid interfaces at the tops of both columns. For this approach, we'll define a z-axis with its origin at the top of the columns and with z increasing in the downward direction. We can define the air-liquid interfaces of interest as 1 and 2 respective to P1 and P2. And we'll define the interfaces between liquid A and liquid B as interfaces 3 and 4. The pressures at these interfaces will be designated P3 and P4. And we'll then assign a corresponding Z value to each interface. We know that the pressure difference between interfaces 3 and 1 is due to the column of liquid A. This pressure is equal to its density times G times the height of the column, Z3 minus Z1. We can solve this expression for the pressure at interface 3. We can then draw a line from interface 3 to the level on the opposite column where pressure will be equivalent. And we can determine P3 on the right-hand side as the pressure at level 2 plus the pressure due to the column of liquid A plus the pressure due to the column of liquid B. Then substituting the expression we previously found for P3, we are able to determine the desired pressure difference P1 minus P2, and if desired, this expression can be simplified, resulting in terms corresponding to the densities of each liquid.